Hey there, how to use the dog days of summer to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, coming to you from the cabin up at the Big Red Barn. We have a cabin and it's actually selling right after Labor Day, so the family's trying to get up and enjoy it. But let's talk about the dog days of summer. As far back as ancient Roman times, astronomers knew that the star constellation Sirius, also known as the dog star, rose and set with the sun. Well, like it rose and set with the sun. Well, it cycled during the hottest months of the year, the hottest weeks of the year. Sirius rose and set along with the sun. And so people believed, for some strange reason, because people believe strange things sometimes, that the heat from the star and the heat from the sun being the hottest that time of year just impacted people. And they called it the dog days after the star Sirius, the dog star, because they believed that that's what made people hot and tired and lethargic and bored with the super duper long hot days, usually in the months of July and August. Well, we're coming to the end of that season right now, and I can relate. We've had some just hot, humid, long feeling days, at least outside. But if you're inside with air conditioning, it's fun. But there's still ways to do things and enjoy the dog days of summer. Now, COVID-19, this year in particular, 2020, we're finding that a lot of the ways that we used to entertain ourselves with respect to get-together music festivals, fairs, have been canceled. So the gatherings have been canceled. But there's still things we can do outside to have fun. We can go out in the boat, we can go up to the cabin, we can walk outdoors. I walk outdoors no matter how hot it is. I can think of one day that I chose to not go for a walk outside because it was so hot and so humid. I'm like, I can't do it. I'm just not going to do it. I'm going to do some exercise indoors today because of the heat. But how does this affect our businesses? How can we use these long, hot, boring days to help serve people and get them in our businesses? Number one, if you've got air conditioning, people are all about going shopping and getting into your business. Safety regulations followed, of course, and making sure that our customers and our employees are always safe and protected from any pandemics and craziness that might happen. But what are some cool ways that we could do this? Cool ways being the key word here. Well, how about if we come up with some creative promotions and benefits for them, better ways to serve them, better ways to solve their problems, making sure that they have a great experience when they come into our business or when they do business with us per se. Putting just a little nice note, a nice thank you note in with if you're delivering or if you're selling your products and services online and delivering them through the mail or through remote means. Find a cool way or to thank people. Put a little thank you gift, maybe a thank you card or coupon or some fun saying, some motivational thing to get them through. It doesn't have to be a big thing. It just has to show that you cared enough to do something special during this time, whether it's COVID or not. Just during times when people might be feeling down, how can you make them feel better? People will always remember how we make them feel. They might not remember everything about us or everything we do, but they will remember how we make us feel. So if you make them feel good, especially in the dog days of the dog days of summer, when they might be feeling a little bored or lethargic or hot or frustrated, especially frustrated with this year with all of the things that we can't do, focus on the things that they can do. Focus on the ways that you can serve them. Focus on the way you make them feel. Just paying attention to them is a great way, and making sure that they have a good experience in all aspects and dealings with you and your organization will ensure that the dog days of the summer are some of the best times of your business year. That's it. I'd love to know your experience with the dog days of summer. If you're doing something different during this hot summertime for your business, share that in the comments below to motivate and inspire the rest of us. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it in your business, in your life right now? Take care. Bye. Keep cool today.